Welcome to SEMA 2025. I'm Athena Cozell, the driver of Little Miss Dangerous, here working with Synergy this week at booth 61201.
Today we got something really special for you. First off, I'm going to be telling you about if you got an M8 or a V-Twin and you're thinking about putting a turbocharger on it, I found the place that's going to have a bolt-on, and actually SEMA gave them an award for their one for the M8s. So hey, what else we got going on?
We've got Rockford Fosgate. You want to hear some cool sound systems for your cars or your bikes or your boats? They've got it covered.
And next one is KOKON Tools. You know, they got some really unique things. You know, some of the tool companies that we're kind of looking at are ones that you may not have heard of, but they got some really specialty tools that might make your life a little bit easier.
And we're going to go visit Grip Edge. Wait till you see what they got.
You know, if you've ever had that Torx or that hex head that you got in there and it's a little stripped and you can't get it out, they got the tools that will guarantee to take it out every single time.
We're going to visit HANSEN Tools. What they sell are socket trays to make your toolboxes all nice and organized.
American made too.
There you go.
Next is Speed Vice. What do you think about that Vice?
Oh, I thought that was cool. He wasn't around me when I saw it. I took him back over there. I said, check this out.
Wait till you see this. This is worth seeing. You know, have you ever if you ever had like a Bronco or a Jeep or any other vehicles like that and they offer tool kits, this company here, MOTLEY Tools, actually is the ones that design and make the tool kits for that. So that's really cool. So if you don't have that kit, you can actually go to them and to their site and you can actually buy it direct if you didn't want to get it from the dealership. And they're working on a Harley set, which is what I told them when we were talking to them. You'll hear a little of that in the video, me chatting with them about it, because everybody always asks the same thing. The sets that come from Harley-Davidson, we all know they suck. They never have the right tools in there, that you always have to end up making your own kit and go from there. You know, a couple other cool things we've seen. Hey, we've seen this really cool Omnish vehicle. Wait till you check this out.
That's right. That's a GENY HITCHES.
Next is DG Manufacturing. You know, if you're one that puts things in the back of your tailgate or back of your pickup truck, motorcycle or golf cart or anything like that, and you're trying to find, you know, those little straps that they put on the side of the tailgate aren't very strong. Well, this guy makes metal ones that you can even have one where it's tilted up a little bit in case you have a hitch. Those are also American made.
Oh, there we go. Thank you.
Hi, this is Carly with KOKON USA. I'm here to show you some of what KOKON has that's unique here at SEMA. So first thing I got here is our nut grip socket. This has a spring on the exterior, 2 ball bearings on the interior. Those ball bearings push out on that spring, create a friction hold. So it's able to hold any non-magnetic or magnetic bolts and fasteners. Another really great tool we have is our ratchet here. It's a 72 tooth mechanism. It is an extremely low back drag ratchet here. You can hear the mechanism here. What's great about this is actually the internal mechanisms. It's patented, so the first pawl is fixed, second pawl is floating. That floating second pawl actually pivots and moves with the gear, so it never skips a tooth. A lot of those higher tooth ratchets, 90, 120, they skip teeth. This does not, so it has a pretty high torque capacity, 5 degrees per click. Another really great tool we have here is our pretty much the smallest 10 millimeter on the market. This is a thin wall, low profile socket by KOKON. It's called Z-Series. This Z-Series socket not only has those compact features, but also has a different ball holding groove than other sockets. So basically, every socket ever just has that circular ball holding groove. What's bad about that is there's a lot of wobble, right? So you're damaging the socket, you're damaging the drive, and you're losing torque. So what KOKON did is redesign that ball holding groove to this ramp shaped design, where it actually pins that ball in place, preventing almost all of that wobble. So if I put that socket here on one of these ratchets, you'll see almost no movement here. None at all. What's funny is the movement that you do see is actually the ratchet mechanism itself. So when I hold that down, there's nothing. So that's some of the really great stuff we have here at SEMA. Just some of the stuff that is really popular on the KOKON line. But we have over 8,000 tools. We've been around for 77 years, an all Japanese made company. We manufacture in really low batches, 200, 250 versus those other companies who manufacture in the tens of thousands. So our quality control is insane. Our ratchets are all hand assembled. Our nut grip sockets, hand assembled. Everything is inspected before it goes out. So if you ever buy some KOKON, you're buying some quality tools. Thanks for stopping by.
We have a team. Rounding Prevention Technology, RPT. It's designed to be the only tool you ever use, your primary tool, regardless of what the condition of the fastener is, whether it be new or if it's a little bungled up, okay? In the demo block, I've got a good Allen and one we've rounded. A lot, yes? Good bolt, strip bolt, very simple. I've got a standard conventional old school Allen to show. When I put it into the good bolt, it fits as you'd expect. There's nothing wrong with the bolt or the tool. Cracks it loose, tightens it down. Put it into the damaged one, and I have no way I'm gonna dig that out of there. Does that sound familiar? As I turn it, you can hear it clicking because all of the pressure exerted in that goes to the outside. That tool pushes out, stretches the fastener, and the corners strip it, right? Our design grabs it every corner in 3 different areas. The U-shaped cavities and the left-handed sweep of the tool pulls the pressure inward to the center. So as I crank on the loosening position, it gets tighter and tighter and tighter until it cracks it loose. Breaks the tool or snaps the head off the bolt, but it won't strip it. Does that make sense, right? So to illustrate this idea, tools. Somebody have it in their hand? Ah, it's hiding over here. As I grab our design, notice when I put it into the good bolt, it fits perfectly. It's not oversized. That's a 6mm hex. Cracks them loose, tightens them down. The relief cuts bite into the corners, and that left-handed rotational sweep pulls the pressure in, maintaining the fastener. Comes right out. Feels like a regular hex in a good bolt. You can't tell the difference. Watch this. Put it into the damaged one. The other one had no chance of getting it out. Crack it loose. Oh, I feel like you got off way too easy on that. Who was the wuss that tightened that down last time? Oh, try it now. Yeah, he's not going to get it now. Push down. Oh, that's tight. Here we go. Ready? And I'll tighten it right back down again. Now, this is important. On a damaged fastener, it locks in. So if you remove a fastener with our design and you struggle to take it off the tip, there's damage to the bolt. It needs replaced. It never does that on a good bolt. It'll just come right out because it's got shoulder support all the way around, right? But on a damaged one, it pulls the material into the U-shaped cavities, and the extra contact points help turn the rounded bolt. So if I go back the other way just a little bit, it lets go and releases the bolt, right? So that's part of the design. So keep in mind, we can mindlessly take things out and thinking about something else, and then you might not even know the bolt's damaged till you go to pull it off the tip and it's locked on. Just remember, that's damaged. I could put it into this good bolt and crank on it all day and it just falls right out. All right, so that's a good point. That's how you know RPT's doing the job. You can play with it all you want. I got the regular one here if you want to try to.
So we did a video on this last year, and the company is called HANSEN Global Inc. Everything is 100% made in the USA, and they just have some really cool options to store some of your tools. So go and check them out. They do have that promo code if you go to their website and type in SEMA25, I believe it is. Yeah, SEMA25. And that will get you 25% off of anything you purchase.
I'm Andreas Tolman. I'm with Cardinal Tool, Speed Vice. And we manufacture and sell the Speed Vice, so benchtop and drill press versions.
So you want to show me a few of them?
Yeah, I can show you. So here we have our benchtop, our 135, 3.5-inch jaw. So quick open, quick close. Makes it easy for holding parts. Right, just close it on. About half a turn, a full turn, locks it in. Unlock it, close it up. And you can see how it works here on these threads. The special undercut buttress thread that we have comes out, open, close, and then as soon as you pop it in, lock it in place a little bit, stays secure, won't pop out. Unlock it, quick open.
Very nice. That's pretty cool.
So 100% US made, manufactured. We get our steel and cast iron sourced in the US, and we do all the manufacturing in-house.
Well, thank you for your
Yeah,
time.
thank you.
My name's Greg, and you're at Motley Industries booth. We are the OEM supplier to Ford and Stellantis for all these toolkits that you can get through your dealer or you get them through us. We're original equipment, so that means in January we'll be a factory option on all Ford trucks and SUVs. We cover the Bronco, F-150, Ranger, Super Duty, and then our newest kit, which is the Ford Performance Kit, that will be available through the Ford Performance catalog, hopefully by the end of the month.
You guys aren't in the motorcycle industry, are you? Doing anything with for them?
So through our Ford connections, because we're OEM, be a factory option on all trucks.
My name's Chantal Reitzman. I'm with GENY Hitch.
And what's standing there behind you?
So here we have the Dutch Destroyer, started as an Amish buggy. So both of the founder and the president of the company are ex-Amish. We live in a highly Amish culture in Napanee, Indiana. So the goal behind the Dutch Destroyer was kind of give back that homage. So it runs off a 48-volt lithium battery, so you can definitely take it to still get coffee.
And what does your company do and how can they find you?
We manufacture hitches and aluminum ramps. Everything is 100% produced in the USA. You can come watch it start to finish at our facility. You can find us on all social media at genyhitch.com. On our website, we sell through distributors, dealers, so you can find us anywhere. Check us out on Amazon.
These are a tailgate extra support to give you more support on your tailgate when you're loading and unloading, or if you keep anything heavy on the tailgate. So you don't have to worry about the cables breaking on you and messing up your tailgate and having a bad day.
And what company is this?
This is DG Manufacturing. We're out of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Everything's manufactured back there.
And what's your name?
I'm Don. I'm out of California.
Right.
I'm the Western region rep, so to speak. I'm one of the owners too.
So you were the closest, so you drew the short straw.
Now, I have everything west of the Mississippi that I have to take care of.
Lots of territory.
And what do they run?
They're $95 for a set, the full size, and about $45 for the shorts. So we have two different sizes. One for like this. This one here keeps it up at an angle, so you can have something. If you want to tow a trailer behind you, you can still tow a trailer behind you. It keeps it up.
So you just go to your website?
Just a website, yes.
Okay. That's pretty cool. Motorcycles. That's our main channel. We started at cars and trucks, but we have. Oh, okay.
That's a short bed, and the back tire sits on that down.
We're not too.
Right, what's going on, everybody? Patrick Philpott here with PROCHARGER Superchargers, and we are here at SEMA 2025.
And you won a special award the other morning.
Yeah, so we were privileged enough that the SEMA organization chose our brand new 24-25 Harley-Davidson V-Twin M8 kit for Best Engineered New Product. We're incredibly thrilled about that. It goes to the testament to our engineers, our CNC machinists, everybody back in Kansas City where our HQ is at, all the hard work. It really just shows the engineering, not just in the Harley kits, but also in our kits in general. You know, whether it's 2 wheels, 4 wheels, off-road, or on the water, our kits are really, you know, really high quality, stands up to all the abuse you can put on it, and yeah, we're incredibly grateful.
If you were wanting to get one of these for my bike, where would I go?
So if you were wanting to boost your Harley, right, you can either give us a call, visit our website, PROCHARGER.com, or email us. Our phone guys, a lot of places you can't call anybody nowadays, but we really enjoy that our phone guys, our car people, just like the rest of us here at the show, you know, hit them up with, hey, I'm shooting for this horsepower, or I want this style. They'll help you pick the finish, the options. All of our kits are typically made to order, so we don't really stock a ton of kits because, you know, if you're Joe Schmo and you want powder coated black, you want a certain rib, you want different accessories, things like that, it's all designed for you. So we do control the whole production process. Everything we make is is made in Kansas. So everything from the raw materials to packaged up out the door, we can produce a kit in typically 3 to 5 days. Yeah.
And comes with instructions, I guess.
100%.
Put it on if I want to do it himself.
Yep. A lot of our kits are designed to be bolt-on. So simple, easy, direct bolt-on, no cutting, no trimming, no permanent modifications. And at the end of the day, you get that sweet ProCharger whoosh that drivers, riders, everybody says the whoosh from ProCharger is just unbelievable.
And what years does it cover?
So it covers, we do have Harley kits and other motorcycle kits, but for this specific product, it covers 24, 25, M8 Harley-Davidsons. So V-Twins, that's kind of our bread and butter. We do some sports bike stuff, but predominantly Harley-Davidson is where our kits shine.
Sounds great. Thanks for the information.
Thank you very much.
All right, hey guys, Jordan from Rockford Fosgate here. I got Mr. Cartoon's ice cream truck here in our booth at SEMA 2025. What we have in here is our whole new punch line of speakers. We have subwoofers. We got our Power Series amplifiers. This thing is crazy. Look at the detail that we have on this truck here. It's been custom painted. It's got hydraulics. This thing is insane. This truck has been around for almost 30 years. It made its rounds on the lowrider circuit in the 90s. Sat around for a while, and we decided what we're going to do is we're going to upfit it with all of our newest and latest, greatest product. This thing's insane. Come check it out. How we doing, guys? This is Jordan Beecham from Rockford Fosgate. We are at SEMA 2025. We got a huge booth out here in the North Hall. We got everything from motorcycles to trucks to custom vehicles, side-by-sides. We have a Harley race bike, Kyle Wyman's bike to be exact, actually. So we're gonna start on the motorcycle side over here. I've got a Road Glide here, 14 to 23 model, that's running our PMX Stage 5 kit in it. We have our head unit, which is a PMX HD14. We have our Stage 5 kit itself, which is going to include the 6.5 front fairing speakers, our 6x9 saddlebag cut-in lid kit, as well as the subwoofers, one in each bag, running off of 2 800-watt amplifiers, total 1,600 watts. It sounds amazing. Come check it out if you're down here. And then over here, I have a CVO model Road Glide as well. This is going to have our new HD24 Stage 3 kit installed on the bike. 6.5 up in the front fairings, 6x9 cut-in lid kit, 424 plus models, and then also has our A to B integrated 1,000-watt TMA amplifier. Thing sounds amazing. Full plug-and-play kit on both kits. We don't cut a single wire in your bike. Come check us out.
hopefully you like some of that cool stuff that we found. You know, this year there was a lot of great things. Next year we'll do it a little bit different. We didn't put out a lot of videos during the SEMA show because I wanted to get so much covered since we've got the car channel now, the Bob and Tam's autos, trucks, and cars, or cars, trucks, and motorcycles. There you go. Too much. Doing a bunch of sets here today. So we try to get that out there. And you know, in our regular channel, Bob and Tam's Excellent Adventure. So not all the stuff will be on one channel. We're going to be putting a little bit on both of those, so be checking that out. And if you want to see some more of the fun, and you know, they had stunts and they had burnouts and all kinds of cool stuff going on out in the outside, and you've seen a little bit of that in a couple of my clips. We'll be putting more of those on the Bob and Tam's Cars, Trucks, and Motorcycles. So check that one out if you haven't subscribed to it. Down here's a link for you to get to it, because it is hard to find, because we only got about 250 subscribers right now. Once it gets up over 1,500, they'll usually push it out a little bit better, easier to find. So that, we're going to leave you right here.
Thanks for hanging out with us today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Share us with your family and friends. Give us a big thumbs up. Ring that bell for notifications. And we'll see you on the next video.
There you go. We'll see you later.
Bye.